Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial videos. In this video we are going to find solution for another two challenges in owasp juice shop. So let's see which of the challenges we are going to solve today. Okay, our first challenge is going to be this missing encoding. In this we are going to retrieve a photo of this guy cat, and the second one will be from the 2 stars rating. Here we will choose this challenge, access the administration section of the store. Okay, let's get started. To find the first challenge, let's go to photo 1. As you can see here, 3 photos are there, but one is not shown. For this, inspect here. Set for image. Yes, this is the image tag. What we have here is it's not showing in our website, so we do not need for this the website. We are using another tools, that is Cyber Chief. So what we are going to do is we are going to encode this hash value. It's getting loaded. Yes, just type the hash value here as input and search here for URL encode. Just use to encode the hash value. I'm sorry. See, this is the value for hash. Just go and replace that in your shop application. See, exchange this hash with percentage 23. It's repeated 2 times, so you have to do 2 times. Percentage 23. Just enter. Let's see what's happened. Close this, inspect. See, we have successfully solved this challenge, missing encoding. Okay, done. Let's go to solve our second challenge. For that, go to scoreboard. We don't need to go that here. See, we are logged in as an admin juice. So just insert element here. Go to the debugger. Here, search for administration. See, we found her. See, this is the path which guides us to administration content. Copy this come here in your search box and paste it, or you just type administration and press enter. See what's going to happen. Yes, see, you have successfully solved admin section access administration. Let's see what we have here. We have registration users, customers, etc. And we have successfully solved this. See, these are the users they are using. Yes. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and we will solve another two solution in next week. Thank you.